Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a partner on the Flow app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Flow app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home screen. Next, tap on the partner icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you will see an option to link your partner. Tap on this button and a unique code will start displaying. Simply copy this code and send it to your partner. Your partner will then need to open the Flow app on their device, enter the code you provided, and complete the setup process. Once they do this, the pairing between your accounts will be completed. So that's basically how you can add a partner on the Flow app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.